The name of the company is AXE. The corporate team and I are very excited to have you here today. And we call AXE the smart gateway into the crypto world. There's a lot of gates that lead you to the crypto world. However, you know, every single door that's open is not necessarily the right door for you. So today, I want to showcase AXE. I want to showcase our technology so you can see what's in it for you. I think all of us are here because we have a dream. You know, we have something that we want to accomplish in life. And it really all begins with a dream. And for AXE, that dream is to make the world a single culture with no borders, where the language is the internet and where we're fixed our eyes on decentralization. And for most of us, we're so used to being centralized, from our bank accounts to our social media. Everything is under control of someone else. They have our data, they have our information, they have our tendencies, they have our conversations recorded, they have all of our pictures, they literally have everything about us, and they keep using that to sell us more things, to just turn us into massive consumers. So we know that with decentralization, it's the next step towards freedom. You know, the more centralized we are, the less freedoms and the less privacy that we actually have. So with AXE, our vision is to create a community of decentralized individuals and take that to the world. So, you know, we're determined to be the most influential community in the world. And we're going to go ahead and reward our community with reflections that you're going to be able to build a passive income based on those reflections. And I'm going to explain that in a little bit. But today we want to make sure that you understand that regardless of your age, regardless of your gender, regardless of where you are around the world, you can participate in the crypto space without ever having to over risk or over leverage. Okay, so let's get started. This is our ecosystem, and this is where the presentation actually starts. Okay, so let me just make sure that okay, good. All right, awesome. All right, so the first part of our ecosystem is our DAO. If you're not aware of what DAO is, if you've never heard the word DAO, DAO stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization. And inside of AXE, our community of decentralized autonomous members is called AXDAO. Now, a DAO is a token, and I want you to make sure that you understand this. It's a token it's not a transaction token. So it's not like a cryptocurrency like you and I are used to using. A DAO, or the token used for the DAO, is really a property token, meaning literally turning you into a shareholder with the company. So if the company grows, your dividends, your quarterly dividends also grow. Now, when you get paid your dividends through AXDAO, all of our members of our community, all of our shareholders, we receive our reflections in BTC, in Bitcoin. Now, that's amazing. Here's why: because right now Bitcoin is at a low point, right, in price. So being able to earn or receive a passive income with BTC right now is a very good thing. So every quarter, the company is going to share revenue with all of our AXDAO holders. Now, AXDAO doesn't necessarily mean that you're using any of the company's services or that you're building this as a business. It just means that you took action and you bought AXDAO and you're holding AXDAO, so you're a shareholder. The next part of our ecosystem is AX Social, which is a decentralized social media, where you'll be able to use Web3 and connect directly to your crypto wallet and be able to connect with other people in a decentralized way, where your information and your data is not going to be sold for profit, where you're not going to become a guinea pig of marketing campaigns. The next step, and where we're going to spend some of our time today, is an AX trading. Now, for the last 6 years that I've been in the crypto space, usually if you wanted to go into trading, either you had to learn the skill yourself, or you had to give custody of your crypto to someone else. With AX trading, that changes completely. Number one, you keep custody of your funds 100%. You use your own broker. Right now, we're able to connect to Binance, and if you're in the US, that would be Binance US. And you simply connect our service, and our service begins to trade on your behalf. Now, in the US, there's only one type of trading that's allowed, and that's called spot trading. Spot trading. The opposite of spot trading is leverage trading. When you're trading using leverage, your account can go to zero. When you're using spot trading, your account will never go to zero because either you'll end up with Bitcoin or USDT. but you won't end up with nothing. So one of the reasons why I love AX trading is because once you set it, you can forget it. It starts to work on automatic, and you start to see your earnings in USDT to keep it in a more balanced state. So your trading earnings, they don't automatically go right back into being in play and right back into being in operations, but the system actually separates them, so you know exactly how much you've made, and they separate them in USDT so that you're not going through the volatile markets of any other coin. So AX trading is an amazing service that we're offering, and I'm going to show you today how you can start using this service absolutely free. Now, the next aspect of our ecosystem is AX Network. Now, if you're a marketer already, then you're going to appreciate this. Imagine being able to earn commissions in real time. Meaning, if you make a sale at 6 a.m., at 6 a.m. you get paid, and at 6 a.m. you can withdraw. Imagine being able to get paid in BTC. Once again, we go back to pricing right now is in our favor. The lower the price and you start earning BTC, there's a probability that you're not only going to make money off of the commission structure, but you're also going to make money off of the rise of Bitcoin once the correction is over. And where I was hired to lead is over here in the AX project development. If you or someone if you guys have some type of business that requires technology, we need to talk, because I don't know if you've ever seen, I'm pretty sure you have, if you've seen a show called Shark Tank, where we're actually creating something for the decentralized space called AXTank, where we're going to take projects and put them on the blockchain using Web3 technology, and we're going to be able to partner up with these projects. They're going to be able to come and pitch us their project, and if we decide to do business with them, we'll take care of all the tech stuff for them, as long as we're able to share on the revenues right alongside with them as well. So this is our ecosystem, and we're going to touch a little bit more on that as we move forward. But it's important to know that the stronger the ecosystem, this is like the road where you're driving on. If the ecosystem is weak, then the road is weak, and you may end up crashing along the way. But if the ecosystem is strong, then you have a long-term project where you can actually plant your flag and call it a home. Now let's go ahead and continue on with our presentation. AX Social, and this is just to recap some of the things that I've already said. It's the social network for the crypto space, where we're connecting people, entrepreneurs, traders, and technology all at your fingertips using an app. Now, part of the magic of the social network through the blockchain is that you'll be able to monetize your trade setups or your parameters, and the more followers you have, the more the actual platform will reward you with reflection. So that's pretty impressive. Now, AX trading is the spot trading I was sharing with you guys, and part of what makes us different is that we don't trade every coin. If the coin is not stable, if the coin hasn't proven itself with a certain amount of volume, we simply don't allow it to be traded. So, for instance, you can trade BTC USDT, you can trade Ethereum USDT, you can trade BNB USDT, you can even trade Solana USDT. So you're only going to see pairs that are actually volatile enough, but also stable enough to give us the best opportunities for us to go into the market, buy in, and then sell out, and then get our profits and move on to the next operation. Now, let's continue on here, and let's go to the next slide. All right. So right now we're using two different exchanges. We're using Binance and Binance US. And as of June 3rd, for a lot of people that may be in other countries where you guys are able to use Bitso, you're also going to be able to connect this account straight to your Bitso account or to your Binance account. So right soon after that, right around October, November, we're connecting directly with Coinbase. For those of you guys who use Coinbase, you guys will be able to do that as well. Now, let's continue on. Like I mentioned earlier, spot trading is very simple. It's not leverage trading to where you can go to zeros. It's basically buys and sells. It's like having an assistant sitting in front of the chart, and you tell the assistant, hey, if the price drops 2%, buy me 2 lots. If it drops down another 2% for a total of 4%, buy in again at 2%. Now, when the market recovers and we have a 3% gain on each one of these operations, close me out and get me out and put my money back in USDT. So that it's a very simple operation, and that's the reason why the US allows us to be able to participate, because we're not leveraging anybody's account, and you keep 100% control of your money. At any point, If you decide to, you can stop the service from working, just disconnecting your broker from the system, and your money is always in your possession. So that's something that's impressive. And if you're new, you may not know it, but it's fairly new. Like usually you have to give other people custody of your money, and then you're in a state of mind to where, like, I'm giving my money and I'm gonna hope and pray that this company is around for me to be able to collect on my profits, or at least be able to recover my capital. Now, here's where we're going to spend some of our time, because it's important for us to understand how these memberships work. I want to let everyone know here that even if you're here for the first time, today you can get a brand new free license where you can start using our service absolutely free. You're never obligated to pay for the service. You can connect the service to your broker, and the service will begin trading on your behalf. Now, every single one of these members, the free one or the paid ones, there's a share option to it. So, for instance, if the system makes you $1 in profits, right? So if you connect the service and with your capital, the system made you $1. If you have the free account, you're able to keep 40 cents of that dollar. So 40% for you, 60% you're going to pay the company. So you use the service for free. The service made you $1. You kept 40 cents. You paid 60 cents to the company. You're happy because you actually made that 40 cents for free. The company's happy because they made money as well. And you're never obligated to pay. So there's no time limit on the free memberships. And there's no capital limit either of how much you can put to trade in your broker account. The restriction here is, number one, you're paying 60% of every dollar that they make you. And number two, you can't refer anyone to the service. So there's no commissions for you, but you can use the service. And we encourage everyone to have a free account. Even if that's all you do, at least you'll have your money working for you. Even if you do have to pay 60% of every dollar that they make you. But remember, this is all profit anyway. So 40% profit is better than 0% profit with your money just sitting in a wallet. Now, the first paid license is the basic license. This license is $100. And when you have a $100 license, now you get to keep 50% of everything that the system makes you. So if it makes you $1, you keep 50 cents and you give 50 cents to the company. Now, this contract is for 250 consecutive days. So for 250 days, you're literally making 10% more on every single dollar that they make you. There's no limit to how much you can have in your broker account, and you can start referring people if you decide to once you have a paid membership, this one being the $100 basic membership. Our pro membership is $250, and here you get to keep 60% of every single dollar that the system makes you. So if it makes you $1, you keep 60 cents, you pay 40 cents to the company. That goes for 250 days, no limit to how much capital you can have, and you can also refer people as well. The $500 expert license, that one gives you 80% profit for you, 20% for the company. I think that's a very good deal. So the system makes you $1, you keep 80 cents, 20 cents goes to the company. This one, instead of having 250 days, you get 300 days where you can use this service. Unlimited capital you can have in your broker account, and you can refer people and get commissions as well. And when you have an investor license, that's $1,000, you get to keep 90% of every single dollar that the system makes you. If it makes you $1, you keep 90 cents, 10 cents goes to the company. It's for 300 days, no limit on the capital, and you can refer people as well. I think this is self-explanatory. We're sharing. This is how the company makes money. The company created a technology that trades on automatic, and you get to keep a percentage of those profits. Now, it all depends on which license you have. That's how much percentage you get to keep. I think that's a fair business model, and I like it. Because why? If they don't make you anything, they don't make any money. So it's a huge incentive for them to be able to develop a system that makes you money, because that's the only way that they get paid. So I think that's a fair business model. Now let's continue on.
Okay, Ron here again, and welcome to part 2 of this presentation on Axe Technologies. In part 1, you learned about our Axe technology ecosystem, our AXDAO token, which is our property token that also enables you to be a shareholder in our company, and you'll receive quarterly dividends just for holding that token. We talked about our software, our crypto trading software, that you can join and connect to your Binance or Binance USA account. You can have anywhere from a free membership where you will earn 40% profits all the way up to a investor license and even a VIP license where you earn up to 90% of the profits, and then the company will only keep 10%. We talked about, this is all passive income. We talked about the money stays in your account. You have 100% control at all times. The money is in your Binance account, which is the most secure, longest running, best cryptocurrency exchange in the world. Highly regulated, highly scrutinized. You don't have to worry about your money going bye-bye like you have to worry about. There is no stress. You don't have to worry about waking up in the morning and saying, oh, is the company still here? Am I going to be able to log in? Are they going to pay my money when I make a withdrawal? Don't have to worry about all that nonsense. You don't have to worry about any monthly subscriptions where you just connect the software, you set it and forget it, let the software do its thing. And then you're going to make, like I said, anywhere from 40 to 90% profits, on every trade. And you keep every penny of that. You don't have to worry about paying a portion of that to pay your monthly, subscription, which can be anywhere from $99 all the way up, and upwards of $200 per month, which means you have to earn a much higher percentage, in your trading just to cover the cost of your monthly membership. So all that can be done passively. You don't have to build a team. That's all passive income. However, if you do want to earn some additional income and refer others to the program, I will just issue this disclaimer that the illustrations we're going to see are going to be for educational purposes only and are not intended to use as a guarantee of income. To be successful in this business or in any business requires effort and dedication at work. So just remember that there are no guarantees. We're not going to guarantee any income. Everything is dependent on your efforts. But this is intended just to show you what's possible via our outstanding pay plan. I want to talk about our compensation plan. We have an incredible compensation plan. And again, the level of pay that you're entitled to is again dependent on which license that you have. If you have a free license, you cannot participate in the compensation plan. You're strictly a customer. You can hook up the software to your Binance or Binance US account and begin to earn 40% profits from every trade that is executed for you based on the parameters that you set. In order to be eligible for commissions in the pay plan, you have to have at least a basic license, which is $100. And if you have a basic license, you're entitled to a direct bonus of 10%, which means you're going to earn 10% on the sales of any other license that you sell, whether it's a basic license or a VIP license. You're going to earn a 10% direct bonus. So you sell an investor license, you're going to earn $100. You're also entitled to a binary bonus of 8%. You can earn a maximum of $500 per day. And it renews every $400 that is earned. $100 goes back up into creates volume, goes back up into the binary leg and feeds that volume for everybody in that leg, which turns this into a residual income program without people having to pay a monthly subscription, without people having to take any more money out of their pockets. It turns basically what could be a one-time payment program into a lifetime of residual recurring income based on this ingenious and unique renewal feature here. If you purchase a pro license for $250, normally you'd be entitled to a 12% bonus. However, during this special promotional period, which is going to last until October 31st, you're going to earn a 20% direct bonus. So if you sell one of those investor license, you're going to earn $200 for every investor license that you sell, and $20 for every basic license that you sell as well. you're entitled to a binary bonus of 9% if you have a pro license. You can earn up to $1,000 per day in the network and earn, again, the renewal bonus is the same no matter which license that you have. If you have an expert license, you have a direct bonus of 15%. Excuse me. During the promotional period, you will earn a 25% binary bonus, and you're entitled to 10% 10% binary bonus. You can earn up to $3,500 US daily in the network. If you have an investor license for $1,000, you can then earn 30% on every license that you sell. So if you're an investor and you sell another investor license, you're going to earn $300 every time you sell an investor license. You're going to earn 10% in the binary, and you can earn $5,000 USD every day. And of course, at any time, you can upgrade to any of these higher licenses just by paying the difference. So if you have a basic license and you want to turn that into an expert license, then you just pay the difference. Okay, let's go on now. A little bit more specifically about the different bonuses that we have. All right, so here's our fast start bonus. As we talked about, 10 to 20% of all licenses you sell directly. You sell an expert license for $500, you're going to earn $100. Sell an investor license, you're going to earn $200 or $300, as we talked about during this promotional period. All right. The binary bonus. Now we're building two teams here. We're building a left team and a right team. For those of you familiar with binaries, one person on your left, one person on your right. Everybody else has to go below one of those two people. So it's a true team building compensation plan. Everybody helping each other in that leg. And you're going to earn anywhere from 8 to 10% from the lower volume. And the points are dollar for dollar. No CV, BV baloney where you buy something for $500, but only $300 goes, you're only $300 of that is qualified. Someone buys a license for $500, $500 goes into the volume, goes into the binary, dollar for dollar. And you don't see that too often. All right. So, the renewal bonus. Now, this is something different, okay, that I haven't seen before in any residual, in any passive type income program, which essentially turns a passive residual one-time payment program, turns it into a residual income program where you can earn renewal bonuses over and over and over without people having to pay monthly subscriptions, without people having to take more money out of their pocket. All right. These renewal bonuses happen automatically every time people in your network earn $400. Okay. $100 goes back up into the binary. All right. So the more your team earns, the more you will earn. All right. We have rank bonuses. And the rank bonuses go all the way up to $10,000 per month. Think of this as a car bonus, a host bonus, vacation bonus, whatever you want to call them. But these are bonuses above and beyond, number one, what you're making in your trading software on a daily basis, what you're making in direct sales bonuses for people buying the different licenses, what you're earning in the binary bonus, 8 to 10% binary bonuses, in addition to the residual bonuses that you're making. So these are the rank bonuses. And as you reach these certain levels, the company's going to give you a bonus per month. So if you reach the bronze level, which is pretty easy to do, you earn $500. Earn $500 in that month, either through direct sales, binary bonuses, or a combination of both. And as long as you earn $500, that first month would be your qualifying month. You do that again the second month, you qualify. Then the company's going to pay you that residual bonus of $150. Okay? If you attain the silver rank, which means you're earning $2,500 in that month. Again, the first month is the qualifying month. Second month, is the actual month you're going to get paid, and then you'll get paid every month thereafter you qualify. You need 2 bronzes. So you need 2 people in your pay leg that have achieved the bronze level, which basically means they've earned $500. If that happens, the company's going to pay you $750 per month above and beyond all those other bonuses I talked about, and above and beyond any money you're making in your trading, that the trading software makes you. So $150 per month, residual bonus, $750 per month as a silver, and actually they call the next bonus a car bonus, but hey, for $750 a month, I mean, I can get a pretty nice car for $750 a month. But next one is, that's actually called a car bonus, is $1,500 per month, and that's the gold bonus. And you can see the qualifications on that. Just earn $5,000 in a month, qualify that the first time, and then the next month you qualify, they're going to pay you an additional $1,500. And that goes all the way up to $10,000 per month, depending on the rank you qualify. So that's the lifestyle bonus, or what we call the lifestyle club. Okay. Last but not least, we have what's called the residual trading bonus. Now remember, we said that the company's going to take anywhere from 10% all the way up to 60%, depending on which license that you have. They're going to take their share of the commissions, okay? And the members are going to keep anywhere from 40% to 90% based on which license that you have. So all those commissions that are going to the trading, this is just from the trading now, the trading commissions that are earned go into what's called a global trading pool. And of all those commissions that are collected, 40% are going to be distributed among all the people that have earned those ranks that we just talked about. So if you've earned the bronze rank, which is, all it means is earning $500 in that month, then 30% of all those trading commissions are going to be shared among all those people that have achieved the bronze level. And remember, as people climb the ranks, as you get to silver, gold, and diamond, less and less people are going to be qualified at that level. We are very, very early in this game. So we could be among, those listening to this call right now, could be among the very first to attain these ranks. And as the company grows, and as your network grows, and as you grow your team, and you start achieving these ranks, these numbers can be pretty significant. I mean, right now we have like 4,000 people in the whole company worldwide. Virtually nobody in the United States and Canada, virtually nobody in Europe, nobody in Africa, nobody in Asia. I mean, the world is wide open. We're at the very beginning of this thing. We have a passive income program where you don't have to refer anybody if you don't want to, and still earn anywhere from 40% all the way to 90% of everything you earn on your trading. Okay? You can do that. But if you want to build a network, you can see how early we are. And if you become one of the first ones to start achieving some of these ranks, that's going to make a lot of people very, very happy. So that's pretty much it. Pretty awesome pay plan. If you do want to build a team, I encourage you to join us, at least get a free membership. Let me know that you joined. Check out the company. Come to one of our Zooms. Come to our trainings. Come to see what we're all about. We are very, very close to the top of this company. I mean, there's just my sponsor, and then above my sponsor is an executive in the company. So we are as close to the top as you are going to get. You can start earning money for free. Connect the software. I'll show you how to do that very easily. You won't have to take any money out of your pocket at all, except what you want to take out of your money for trading. So that's it. Join us for free. Come check us out. Due diligence. Do your due diligence like I did. And, hey, decide to upgrade to at least the basic license so that you can refer others and stop making some of these outrageous commissions that we talked about from the pay class. So with that, this is Ron. Have yourself an incredible day.